All right, hot off the press. Job we just finished in Suffolk. If I remember correctly, 600 and something odd square foot. We used Wolf Silver Teak PVC decking, trimmed out in white PVC, as you can see the risers down there. We got deck lights, and then we have a Trex Transcend composite white handrail. It's turned out pretty good. Let's get this straight. There we go. There's one. There we go. And diamond privacy lattice. Wouldn't have been my first choice, but it's such a small area. Alpha decks, baby. Another one for the books.